Recording. You have it turned on? Where is it? Ashley, you're in the shade. I can't see it. You don't want it into the building. You're going to crash into the building. God damn it. I got 5 minutes. 5 minutes to break your toy.
Stop recording so I can see it. Otherwise, it's not working.
Oh. Oh. I don't know if I recorded that or not, but it almost killed me. Is that the 5 seconds of fly time?
No. That didn't work.
Did you know how to fly it?
No.
Okay, try it again.
Did I break it?
I hope not. Probably did. Oh shit. We could do it later. There it goes! Oh no! It just died. It went in the middle of her bush. Her bush. Sorry, that's too windy.
Well, it's better than it hitting the cement.
Okay, good luck.
Why does it go sometimes it doesn't? Why does something hit?
It hit something wrong, huh? Maybe you have to tighten up the things?
I don't know. Oh, watch out.
It's gonna hit me again. Walk with it, Tom. Walk with it. Walk with it. You're going over to the neighbor's house. Oh, ouch. Did it hit the fence?
Yeah.
Dead. It's probably dead. Did you feel like you were flying? I thought
it turned the way it was supposed to turn, but then it just kept going.
Yeah, because of the wind, I think.
Yeah, it went with the wind. Huh?
Why don't we try this indoors?
That'd be better.
Okay. Okay, indoor shooting. Oh, there you go. Where is it? It's like a bug.
It's not. Why is it rotating? The manual said something about it rotating.
You had to
read it more.
Yeah, go back and read it more before it breaks. That's so cool though, huh? Nice gift that. I know, for your brother.
Oh, maybe that's what this thing is.
What thing?
Oh.
Is it broken?
That's the on-off switch.
Oh.
Oh, I had that turned.
Oh.
That's probably why it wasn't centered.
Oh.
Let's try that again one more time.
Okay, hurry up, I got 2 minutes. Put it on the table again.
That's in the middle. It might go straight.
Okay, try that. Put it in the...
That was originally I fucked it.
Up. Up. Oh. It's like it's dying.
Because I tried to throttle it to move up too high.
Death throes. Oh God! I tried to catch. Well, I didn't know if I could. I didn't want to get whacked to death.
I'm gonna whack you little.
Did it broke it? Did it break it?
No, it's fine.
All right.
Just gotta figure out. It's too windy outside.
Yeah.
That's cool. I shall try it tomorrow when it's not so windy.